it's a bit of a slow process, and I'm gonna have to add some raised bed soil, compost, things like that after I put the topsoil in. But in our area, we cannot get super soil. I don't know if you can see it, but there's bees already around. Oh, he's flying. He's flying. There he is. It's a good sign. Spring's on its way. Hey y'all, it's Mimsy at PoorBoy Homestead, and today I've got a new toy to try out. This is the Saker. It is a mini chainsaw. Someone contacted PoorBoy about doing a review on it, and since he is busy, Mimsy's gonna do it. I've got some limbs that I need to cut up. I'm gonna be working on my new raised beds, and this little tool is gonna come in handy. So let's see how it does on some of these fallen limbs back here. That will be perfect to put in those raised beds for hugelkultur. So the first thing I notice is it's pinching up. And there we go. And I think the pinching up was probably a little bit of me being nervous. And also this is a thorny tree. It's real thorny. You can't just grab it with your hands. So let's see if a more narrow part does better. It's still pinched up a little bit, but like I said, I can't just hold it with my hand because it's so thorny. I need some gloves. So far, it's keeping its power. That's a good thing. We charged it when we first got it, and then we took it off the charger, and it's been sitting for a few weeks. We just have not had time or the perfect weather to come out and do this. Plus, I was building the beds and filling it with other things, some broken down pallet boards from untreated lumber, boxes, whatever I could find, other limbs. So this little thing's so handy. You can use it with one hand. Nice. Yeah, so as you can see, this is how I'm doing the raised beds. Filling it full of wood. First, got a load of topsoil coming. Handy little tool. And I would definitely recommend it. I would buy another one. This one was given to us to try it out and do the reviews on it. But yes, I would definitely buy another one. I like that it has this safety guard. It's got a safety button. It's got its own little charge pack with a plug-in cord to charge it into, plug into the outlet at the wall. Just a regular 20 volt max. So just a regular 110 outlet's fine. It's Mimsy approved.